In today's video, I am going to share with you something a little different. This really isn't SEO or anything like that. It's more UX, user experience, making your website look cool, making people stay on it longer, make it more interesting in general, all that kind of stuff. And it's all done with CSS, my favorite type of code. So let's dive right in. Corey's a client of ours. We got him 30 clients in the month of May 2019. He didn't get 30 clients from his website in forever. His website has been on the internet for over 15 years. He didn't get 30 clients in 15 years. He got 30 clients in 30 days after hiring our service. Pretty much a no-brainer. And then Jose over here, he landed over $100,000 in website leads this year. I mean, we're talking pretty well over $100,000. So we're here. We do more than make stuff look cool. We make websites that perform for our clients, rank, and will grow your business if your business is in a position to grow. So you can focus on growing your business. We'll focus on getting your website found and making it look good on the internet, and then it'll just be a great thing. So if you need help with anything on the internet, with your emails, with your SSL, with you're getting a bunch of spam, whatever is the problem, you want us to run ads, you just want your website to rank better, your website's old, it looks terrible, you don't have a website, we can take care of all that kind of stuff. Like, that is what we do all day, every day. Before we get started in today's video, I just wanted to kindly ask if you could like the video. If you like the video, if you like the channel, don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down in the comments. I would love to get a conversation going with you, answer any questions, provide any value I can. So today we are taking a look at some CSS, my favorite type of code, and this is where I found it. So I'm on Hacker Noon, not really sure what Hacker Noon is, but this is a blog post that says hour-long blog post, a key to an unfair SEO advantage. I actually haven't read this blog post, but I probably should. You probably should too if you care about your internet presence and your business getting found online. But the point is this showed up in my Google feed. So like my Google News feed, I got a pixel. I just swipe all the way to the left, and then in that feed of articles and websites and whatever else Google thinks I might like, this was in here. I was like, yes, I'm really into blogging these days. So I clicked on it, I went to it, and I've actually been trying to find a website that had this right here. So what's going on here is this is a clickable link. So this is anchor text. This is, you click on that and it takes you to a different website, right? Or a different page on this website. And the way they are showing you that is with this, what appears to be like a green highlighter underline, but it's not an underline because it's thicker than an underline is, and you're kind of limited on what you can do with an underline in CSS. That's a text decoration. This link right here actually has text decoration set to none. So it's not a text decoration. That's why they have more control over the width of that green highlighter strip. But this looks really, really good on mobile. I think it looks really, really good on the desktop. And it looks even better when you hover over it. So before I hover over it and show you what it does, the purpose of this is to let you know that that link is clickable. Like anything that is clickable on your website should be obviously clickable. It's part of making your website accessible, which is going to be a huge thing. I'll have a lot more content coming out on website accessibility very shortly. We'll have a bunch of tools available for you to use at different price points and stuff like this, so you don't get sued because your website is inaccessible to people with certain disabilities. And it's like 1 in 5 people in the world. So it's a lot of people have trouble viewing websites, and website owners are getting screwed or getting sued, both. But let's stick to the topic here. So when I do hover over this is what happens, and it's just a simple animation where it covers up all the text, it darkens up, you go off hover and it goes back down. So this is just something that is very simple and easy to do in CSS. So I'm like, I want to know how to do this, right? Well, me being the person that I am, like I've messed around with all this kind of stuff for a long time now. I know exactly how to do this if I want to do this. So I right click on my screen. I'm in Chrome. This is an incognito window. It doesn't matter. I'm gonna grab my little pointer over here and I'm gonna come and highlight my text. And here it is right here. So there's our link, which is an Ahref, that is HTML. So Ahref, here's the web address that it'll take you to if you click it, and that's that, right? So if we come over and look on this side, we have right here. So this A link right here, A, the element, so they're calling the A element, and it is inside of a container that has the class of content. So really, this content and this A are kind of irrelevant to me because I build Divi WordPress websites. So this is what I got right here. This is what I need. I need this data right here. So I copied this into a little text editor. So CSS for highlighter, link look, and then here is the original. So content A, and then all of their code right here, and then content A on hover. So this is this is the CSS way to write out on hover, do this. So this is the change on hover. We're changing this. This is the transition, blah, blah, blah. That's what happens. Okay, so that's that. So I got the hover code by clicking right here, checking hover, and I copied out the hover code. Okay, so I hop back into my website where I have actually already done this, but I'm gonna show you how I did it and stuff like that. So I went in here and I made this link right here, link to Corey's website. So I highlighted it, clicked on it, typed in Corey's website address, and blah, blah, blah. So I'm not gonna change it, but if I go and look at the code here, I have my Ahref right here. So Ahref, going to Corey's website, paradiseps.com, target blank means it's gonna open in another tab, and then no opener, no referrer. I might want to change that. I'm not going to get into that in this video. And class equals highlighter link. So the class is notated by a period in CSS. So the class that this was in was content. My class is highlighter link. So I come back to where I put my CSS in my website and I put it right here. So I've swapped out that content.content A for just highlighter link because I don't need the A in mine, and then I have my highlighter link on hover, and I copied in that CSS that I needed. So I copied in the color, the padding, the text declaration of none. It's a background image is what you're seeing. There's the transition. Here's the background size, blah, blah, blah. And I actually took out this word break. My system here wasn't recognizing this and I didn't need it, so I just took it out. So it's gone. So I put my change on hover right here, and that's that. I saved it, and voila. Then we have the live site, which is right here, where I now have that on my website. So I did it exactly the way that they do it on this website. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. And I think that should actually take a little bit longer than 120 milliseconds. So I'm gonna say 250. Let's go to 250 and see what that looks like. So I save my difference. Boop. Save that. Come back over here, refresh my screen so it pulls in my new code. And now it just takes a little bit longer, and I think that looks a little bit better. So I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. Yeah, man. So that's what it is. So it's very, very cool. If you didn't notice, Corey's a client of ours. We got him 30 clients in the month of May 2019. He didn't get 30 clients from his website in forever. His website has been on the internet for over 15 years. He didn't get 30 clients in 15 years. He got 30 clients in 30 days after hiring our service. Pretty much a no-brainer. And then Jose over here, he landed over $100,000 in website leads this year. I mean, we're talking pretty well over $100,000. So we're here. We do more than make stuff look cool. We make websites that perform for our clients, rank, and will grow your business if your business is in a position to grow. So you can focus on growing your business. We'll focus on getting your website found and making it look good on the internet, and then it'll just be a great thing. So if you need help with anything on the internet, with your emails, with your SSL, with you're getting a bunch of spam, whatever is the problem, you want us to run ads, you just want your website to rank better, your website's old, it looks terrible, you don't have a website, we can take care of all that kind of stuff. Like, that is what we do all day, every day. So I just wanted to share with you my favorite part of what I do. I know this channel, a lot of people aren't going to care for that, but this is what I'm into. I'm going to break out a new channel. I'm not going to talk about it yet. I'm going to get it actually underway and going, and my face isn't going to be on it, stuff like that. So I will probably just mention it to the Long Crack audience for anybody who is into the web dev stuff. But I'm going to be targeting a whole different audience in the new realm of internet people I'm dealing with and all that kind of stuff. So that is what it is. I thought it was really cool, so I wanted to make a little video out of it. If you like the video, please remember to like. If you like the channel, remember to subscribe. If you have a question, leave it in the comments. And until the next video, keep making money.